Hi, this is Matt on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to learn how to make steak with spicy stuffed potato and collard greens with vinaigrette sauce. Okay, so now for the collard greens, really all we need to do is just tear them and put them in the bowl. I mean, it's that simple. I mean, you can cut them if you want, but I find, you know what, tearing them is totally fine. I mean, I even use the stem up to a certain point. So I'm just going to tear this just like so. Get the leaves. You definitely want the leaves. And as you get to the bottom, like this part here, you don't want that. But the leaves and some of the stem up top where the leaves kind of bloom out or whatever, but definitely not the bottom here. So we're going to take this piece and we're going to throw that in our waste bowl. Let's take another leaf here. So all of this we definitely want up until about here. So you know what, we'll just break that off right at the start. How's that? And then we'll just tear the leaf. I'm just going to put that in here. And then I'm going to go over it again. See, I'm tearing pretty big pieces here. I'm going to go over it again, and I'm just going to tear one more time and make them a little smaller. Just get the leaves, you know what, and we'll put that stem in there. Let's do one more. Just take our leaves, and we'll just tear them, put them in the bowl, like so. Just make sure we get all the leaves off, and we don't want that. So now I'm just going to go back in, and I'm just going to tear again, just to get them a little smaller. But it's really easy. I mean, now you can use a cutting board. I have one cutting board, and right now it's being occupied with the peppers and the garlic and all that stuff. So this is totally fine because it's all going to look the same in the end anyway. So just like so, and that's pretty small here. We can go over it one more time. Okay, and now I'm going to finish up the rest of these, and then we'll move on to our next step.